Okay, we went too far. Lunchtime. Don't tell anybody. Okay, we got this. Cookies, find the cookies. Going for cookies. Where are the cookies at? Oh, I see some cookies right there. Tight turn, we got this. We got this. Oh yeah, we got it. Back up. Go, 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 go. Let's set a speed record in here. Here's on. I think that was the manager right there. Oh no, that was the ice cream. Brake test. Okay, we went too far. Got carried away. All right, ice cream time. Let's go. Heads up. We're just getting ice cream. All right. I'll push it. There we go. Sorry for the trouble.
Have a good day.
Didn't mean any harm. Okay.
Oh, ice cream.
What do you think?
Want that and
Bomb. They better sponsor this. Chips Ahoy, Briars. You gotta get your fingers in too. That's the secret.
No.
Trust me. Look at that.
Oh, give it to me.
You saw it. Get out of here.
No, me?
Oh yeah.
Messy.
Hey, who's got money? Anybody have a wallet?
Yeah.
And let me get $10.
Oh, there.